That's the Kathal Ki Subzi I have for you from my kitchen here, and it's incredible.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of Curly Tales presents Restaurant Style at Home. हमारे आज के शेफ की तो accomplishment list काफी लंबी है. He is a legend in the New York City food circle. He's the owner and chef of a Michelin star Indian restaurant in New York City. He's the owner and chef of a popular modern Indian restaurant in Delhi called the House of Celeste, and along with being a cookbook author and a popular food educator, we welcome Chef Suvir Saran on this show.
Hi Bianca, thank you for having me on the show. First, let me tell you what I'm making for us today is a kathal curry. And kathal is this little fruit here, meaty. It's the vegetarian chicken. Kathal is also called fanas or jackfruit. And this kathal is from our own tree. We'll show you a snippet of where we got the tree from as well. So now that you've seen where I get my kathal from, right at the back of the house in our own home, let's get busy cooking with the kathal. It's jackfruit season. It's always a good time to eat kathal. You'll be delectably eating it forever. Put tomatoes, garlic, DEGHI MIRCHI in a blender and process until rough smooth. Take red onions, slice them, put them into a blender and puree them until coarse, smooth like the tomatoes. Get the jackfruit and the spices next to your stovetop. I'm deep frying the kathal, and here, look at the wok, what's happening in the wok. I was one of those Indian men or Indians that was ashamed of all our beautiful native vegetables. But as I went to America and I saw all the garbage that I realized people would eat, both here and abroad, I was ashamed that I had neglected our jewels of our cooking, like kathal. So this simple, humble vegetable, it has a personality, has texture, has deliciousness, it's rich in fiber, it's healthy for you because you can eat it without worrying that you're going to get clogged arteries. And so now as a grown man, not only do I crave them, I appreciate them, I cherish them, I enjoy them, and I've made a name cooking them. Drain and set aside. In a heavy bottom pan, add a cinnamon stick, some fennel, 5 cloves, a little star anise, 5 cardamom pods, 3 red chilies, a little black peppercorn, some cumin seeds, and a little coriander seeds. And we'll add some oil, enough oil that the spices can swim in them and blossom to their flavor. What I do differently here is to add spices to cold oil, and this keeps the spices from cooking too fast, and it coaxes out their essential oil out into the pan, and it flavors the oil into being an aromatic oil that becomes the back heat of the dish, the khada masala. That's what the expression khada masala is all about. As the spices begin to move, just stir them a little. So you're helping them cook gently, slowly, and to slowly release their flavor. The cinnamon stick will begin to unfurl, and when it's opened up, that's when you know that the oil is perfumed with the essence of all the spices that you've gotten in the pan. The cloves will plump up, the cardamom will become fat, the cumin will get golden, the chilies will get dark brown, as you see here. Now add onions and begin cooking. Here I'm adding the salt. Cook for 20 minutes, stirring often. Now that you've given the onions the spa treatment of luxuriating them with the gift of time and slow even cooking, they're getting nice and toasty and crispy, and the smell in the kitchen has that sweet aroma that comes when you cook onions till they're golden brown. And as they start sticking, I'm going to add a little water. Add turmeric, toasted cumin powder and coriander powders. Add the tomatoes, cook them, add the tomato puree, and now cook with a little DEGHI mirch and green chili that are added into the pan, and keep cooking for a good 10 to 15 minutes till they're nice and jammy and bubbling. Now add kathal, mix them well. Add water, enough to cover the kathal nicely. Add salt to taste. Stir. And now cover the pan and cook for 10 minutes, stirring once in between. Uncover, and the smells are going to be wonderful. Taste a little for salt. I'm doing a happy dance. Add a cup of tamarind chutney, stir nicely, let it get sticky in the pan. Add garam masala, stir again, and taste. I'm going to try it now. The proof of the pudding lies in the taste. Let's see. Sweet, sour, just spicy enough, but fragrant and very aromatic. That's the Kathal Ki Subzi I have for you from my kitchen here, and it's incredible.
So don't you think there was something different to learn today? I mean, it looks so delicious, and I think you guys should definitely try it at home. And if you do, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to tag us. This is me, Priyanka Saurashtri. I'll see you soon.